Welcome back everyone. So how you can install Chrome browser on your Windows operating system? So how you can do that? Default we have Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, so open the Microsoft Edge browser. When you open the Microsoft Edge browser, you can see the search bar here and search here Chrome download. Okay, when you click search the Chrome download, you can see the first link here, Chrome web browser. Okay, so click on it and you click on it. When you click on it, you can see the official page here and click on download. Okay, when you click on download, the setup is downloaded. Okay, so open the setup. I can show you. This is our setup. Okay, double click on it. It asks for your permission. Say yes. Now it is click. You can see we have successfully installed Chrome browser and it's opening. I don't want to sign in. uh, I just don't want to make it default. If you want to make it default, you can do it. Okay, so skip it. Got it. Okay, now you can see we have installed successfully Chrome browser. Okay, so that's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here and please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.